A leading asthma expert says urgent action must be taken to address child asthma rates amongst Māori and Pacific children. Otago University professor Jim Reid says poverty is a leading cause in the level of asthma around New Zealand. A recent University of Otago study shows that hospitalisation rates for asthma are almost 4 times higher in lower socio-economic areas.
1 in 5 Māori and Pacific children have been diagnosed with asthma. This compares with 15% of children and 11% of adults with the disease in the New Zealand population. Professor Jim Reid says the issue is significant and more needs to be done.
It's very interesting because there's much higher prevalence of asthma among Māori and Pacific people. It's also associated with socioeconomic status, so I think that is one thing that perhaps could be improved. But also I think access to appropriate medical care is important. And I think there is some evidence that Māori and Pacific people don't access or can't afford to access care in an appropriate way.
Mortality from the disease is also higher among Māori and Pacific Islanders, despite the fact a simple test can help assess whether patients have their asthma under control. If left untreated, asthma can also cause permanent scarring on the lungs.
I think that is reasonable to make the care more affordable. Certainly treatment for children is now free up under the age of 13, and that has been a great advance.
Reid says last year alone 70 people died from asthma. New Zealand has one of the highest incidences of asthma in the world, with up to 10 to 15% of the population suffering at any one time. The comments come just ahead of World Asthma Day on Tuesday, May the 2nd. Roselle LeBone, The South Today.